Hello, good evening to you, and part of the story here is the Al Bayt Stadium by night. 60,000 capacity here. I'm Derek Ray, perched here on the commentary gantry, and sitting alongside me to provide expert analysis is Stuart Robson. And the group stage action has been pulsating up to this point. This is the final game of the group for these two sets of players. It's Argentina versus Mexico.
Well, these teams know they cannot afford to drop points today. It's so important that they are consistent throughout the group stages if they want to progress further in the tournament. Should be tense, Derek.
Good-looking move, this. Still not clear. Well, he had the measure of it, the goalkeeper. It might still be problematic. Jimenez. Well, he's given us away. Andres Guardado. Jimenez. Lozano. And support available. Nicely timed tackle. Now, what can they do from here? Must take the lead here. And the referee is quite rightly letting it go. And a foul in the opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? Well, walls are meant to be immovable. Not this one. Well, that's not one for his personal scrapbook, I think it's safe to say.
Well, the manager will be absolutely furious. It's a waste of a good situation. He won't be on the next one, that's for sure.
Might take the lead. Well, a really respectable effort from there.
Well, for a moment, I thought it was going to squeeze inside. Decent effort. It's unlucky, really.
Jesus Gallardo. Rodriguez. Oh, super piece of play. So a corner kick it'll be, following the deflection. Well, you're not going to bamboozle the goalkeeper with a corner like that. Rodriguez. And a timely intervention. The electronic board has been held in the air, and we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Rodriguez. And so it is, the first half story has been written. So they get the ball rolling in the second half. Even Steven here. So little to choose between the sides. De Paul. Lionel Messi. Plenty of options. Di Maria. And the defender got the last touch. That'll be a corner. And took a touch on the way through. So a corner here. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. But into the keeper's gloves. Nahuel Molina. And teammates around him. Can they forge ahead? Making sure nothing came of it. Lo Celso. Martinez. Moving the ball forward with purpose. Surely! And diving to thwart him. And they will make the change now. Well, the header was respectable, but the goalkeeper always seemed to have it covered. Rodriguez. Edson Alvarez. It is a decent-looking attack here. Just cutting off the supply. Lionel Messi. Oh, wonderful bit of skill. 10 minutes to go then. Not the pass he had in mind. Rodriguez. Edson Alvarez. Possession lost. Can they nudge in front late on here? Lozano. Rodriguez. And 3 minutes will be added on for stoppages. He's given us away. Now, who can he play it to? Excellent refereeing. Advantage in operation. Raúl Jimenez. Just the clearance that was needed. And that will be all for this game anyway. No goals to report. Defences on top. And Stuart, as ever, interested to get your take.
Well, Derek, I think it was a good tactical battle. There was a lot of endeavour, some good defending, but not enough attacking quality.
Hello, good evening to you, and part of the story here is the Al Bayt Stadium by night. 60,000 capacity here. My name is Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as usual, is Stuart Robson. And really looking forward to bringing you this World Cup round of 16 match. It's Argentina against Denmark.
Well, Derek, although the hosts are clear favourites, this could prove to be a tricky game for them, unless they score an early goal, because their opponents will sit deep, remain compact and defend with determination. They also pose a threat on the counter-attack and are really good at set plays. It's going to be an interesting one.
Mikael Damsgaard. Kasper Dolberg. Magnificent defending. Messi. Martinez. Di Maria. Martinez. Strong but fair tackle. Højbjerg. Daniel Vass. Skov Olsen. Eriksson. Argentina doing well to regain possession. Di Maria. Outdoing his opponent. Can he put them ahead? Must take the lead here. In it goes! The opening goal in this contest.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
So underway again here. 1-0 the score. A very effective challenge put in. Martinez. Can he put it away? And a goal! Cause for celebrations again. 2 in front.
Well, as you can see, he's a great talent. What a run, what a goal, and what a player he is.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Højbjerg. Delaney. Went in strongly, decisively. Martinez. In position. Well, the managers will now deliver their half-time team talks. We're at the end of 45 minutes in this game. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. Well, he's certainly not alone. But timely defending when it mattered. Mikael Damsgaard. Well, he went for power and might be regretting that now. Time for a change then. "30 minutes left for play." Tremendous intuition to win it back. Really bright-looking attack. And fine work by Argentina to recover possession. And the referee blows the whistle. It is a free kick. Fabier. Kasper Dolberg. Skov Olsen. Fabier. Can he get one back? There it is. And he could scarcely have had an easier finish.
Well, here it is again. It's an easy finish in the end, but what was the keeper thinking? That's a poor bit of defending.
So on with the match. 2-1 is the scoreline. What's going to happen next? And a strong tackle. Just 10 minutes to go. Well, no danger now. He has teammates around him. No problems grabbing hold of that one. Rodriguez. Lionel Messi. So following the deflection, a corner kick coming up here. They will now make use of the substitutes bench. We will have 3 minutes of additional time at the end here. Oh, he's missed the chance to extend their advantage.
Well, it was a decent effort, but not quite good enough to extend their lead.
Fabier. And there we have it. The referee brings this game to an end. Argentina have made it through to the last 8.
Yes, it was tight, but they won't worry about that. They had to be resilient at times. There were periods where they were put under pressure and they couldn't get full control of the midfield. But they're through to the next round.
Hello and welcome. The floodlights are shining down here at the 80,000 capacity Lusail Stadium just to the north of Doha. My name's Derek Ray and delighted to have alongside me as usual on these occasions Stuart Robson, and very much looking forward to bringing you this World Cup quarter-final. It's Argentina versus the Netherlands.
Well, the hosts certainly go into this game as strong favourites. They have better technical players and can be brilliant when everything clicks. But their opponents are well organised, resilient and pose a threat on the counter-attack. Therefore, an early goal will be the main priority for the home team.
Giovanni Lo Celso. Well, a good tackle. De Jong. Plenty of forward momentum here, but can they produce? Di Maria. Giovanni Lo Celso. Martinez. Paredes. Di Maria. Oh, a really crisp effort, but just wide. Berghuis. Klaassen. Steven Bergwijn. Well, danger here as he runs at them. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Martinez. Di Maria. And good use of advantage. The referee allowing play to continue. And the pass, a good one. Well, that takes the wind out of their sails. Great defending. Messi. Rodrigo de Paul. At times they make passing look easy. Has a go. Depay. And a fine tackle. De Jong. That is that for the first half here. Into the second half then. And these two sides are locked together. Just can't really choose between them at the moment. Messi. Making progress. And Messi with teammates to play it to. The Netherlands recovering possession well. Steven Berghuis. Dumfries. Berghuis. Good use of advantage by the referee. But play is halted this time. Free kick. Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. I don't think the referee spotted the fact that the players on the wall, had moved forward. Can he put them in front? Pivot. Oh, and the decision is penalty. A big chance for them to take the lead here. Opportunity. A goal. Accurate from the spot. So underway again here, 1-0 the score. Martinez. Lionel Messi. Well, moving the ball impressively here. And it goes! To square the game! What a contest this is turning out to be!
Well, let's take another look. And wow, how cleanly does he hit that? The keeper was never going to save it. What a good goal that is.
Substitution time it is here. So back underway. They've levelled it at 1-1 here. Blint. Perfect tackle. Still pushing for what could be a winner. Must take the lead here. Oh, did so well to deny him. Well, this corner could be pivotal. It might represent the last chance to get in front in the dying moments. Having won the ball back, they might be able to profit. Never really close to the goal, and it will be a goal kick. Steven Berghuis. De Jong. Well, great read there to intercept. So 3 minutes of stoppage time coming up. Klaassen. Frankie de Jong. That is that after 90 minutes. They are level and extra time is coming up. Understandable that fatigue might set in. A strength-sapping night for all concerned as the first period of extra time begins. Martinez! And a goal! It's a finish of real class! No shortage of acrobatics on display here. He's judged it to perfection. Incredible header! So the ball is rolling again. 2-1 the score. What's going to happen next? Messi. Could it be Alejandro Gomez? And a goal! He's put it away! A celebratory moment!
Well, here it is again, and the clearance just isn't good enough. Giving up possession in a dangerous area, just poor defending all round.
There's going to be a double substitution. So back underway, 3-1 the score. First period of extra time completed. 15 minutes left, and then it's a bit... Well, the big question, who will come out on top? We're into the second period of extra time here. Dumfries. Teammates available, but a good piece of defending to bring it to an end. Berghuis. Time is fast running out. 5 minutes left in the second period of extra time here. Klaassen. That was perfectly timed, and it is going to be a corner. And he could be in proper trouble here. Klaassen. Could pull one back here. Can they keep it out? Not too fussy in clearing his lines. And it's over now. Argentina will be in the semi-finals.
Well, there were some tired legs out there today, both physically and mentally. But in the end, they just about had that bit of extra quality that got them through to the next round. And that's all that matters.
It's fair to say that tension levels have been heightened as we get ready for this semi-final here at the 2022 World Cup. My name is Derek Ray, and sharing commentary with me, providing expert analysis, is Stuart Robson. And a special atmosphere for this very special contest. It's Argentina against Brazil.
Well, this could be an absolute classic, and the prize couldn't be any bigger, could it? A place in the World Cup final. Let's just hope we get two teams that want to play good football and come out and attack the opposition. This should be a good game.
Can they find a gap in the defence? Or can they prise them open now? But into the keeper's gloves. Marcos Acuna. Lo Celso. Martinez. Paredes. Well, the attack looks promising. Marcos Acuna. And moving the ball nicely. And he takes on the shot. And the keeper more than equal to it. Not the best clearance. Just missing narrowly on the volley.
Well, it's a fantastic effort. Difficult technique, but he caught it so well. He's unfortunate.
Fred. Perfect tackle. Well, play stopped. It is a free kick. Neymar. Encouraging move this from Brazil. But it fizzles out thanks to that piece of defending. Messi. Well, spot on with that challenge. Martinez. And Messi with teammates to play it to. Well, still an issue here. And problem solved for now. Neymar. Rafinha. There will be 3 minutes added on at the end. Are they going to forge ahead? Tenacious tackling. Excellent defending there. The first half here comes to an end. So back underway here into the second half. Fred. Neymar. Vinicius Junior. Well, he's certainly not alone. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. Di Maria. Lo Celso. Well, we have 30 minutes to go. Di Maria. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Casemiro. Rafinha. Fred. Showing patience as well as persistence in the build-up. Marquinhos. Tellez. Casemiro. Alex Tellez. Vinicius Junior. An effective challenge. And Brazil have it back now. Lost possession. Martinez. Still 0-0 here, not for the lack of trying.
Well, there's certainly plenty of effort and plenty of endeavour. It's just whether they can take advantage of one of these chances now.
Only 5 minutes left for play, and tension galore with the teams locked together. Lo Celso. Martinez. On the offensive, is there to be late excitement? They cannot be separated here, and it's on to extra time. Well, the ball rolling again, no end to the action. It's the first period of extra time, and I must say this has been a back-and-forth type of game. Fred. Neymar. Casemiro. Vinicius Junior. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Martinez. And Brazil with the ball once more. Jesus. Rafinha. Magnificent challenge from Otamendi. Half-time in extra time, and still they are level. Substitution time it is here. Well, who is going to come out on top? Let's see if we find out in the second period of extra time. Well, they stopped them in their tracks. And over the touchline for what will be a Brazil throw-in. Well, they're certainly thinking about a winner. But quick, can they forge ahead? And there it is! They've broken through! Better late than never! They might just be on the way to the final!
Well, here it is again, and it's a very good finish. He knows exactly what he wants to do, and he has the skill to back it up. It's an excellent goal.
Well, a dramatic moment near the end, and that might well be the decider. Well-timed tackle. Now, options are plenty. Great strong tackle, throw-in forthcoming. And there goes the whistle. Music to the ears of all their fans. They've only gone and made it through to the World Cup final.
Well, it was certainly a tight contest for 90 minutes, but in extra time, that touch more quality came to the fore, and they deserved their